Hi guys, thanks for being here with me today. Welcome to my art channel, Niki D Art. So it's a 12 by 16 inch canvas today, and that is boomgel stain Mallee Ringneck blue and Pearlescent teal, also boomgel stain. And this is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. And I'm swiping with Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, and I do, in my first swipe, I do also drizzle a little bit of Amsterdam Oxide Black onto. Hear that gecko? They're so noisy for little things, they're so noisy. It's outside, but they sound like they're inside because they're so noisy. See, just a little bit of black on it there, and I'm jumping the palette knife because I just love the effects when you jump. You get these cool lines with the cells, and I just think it's such an unusual, different effect. Now at the end of this, the Nickel Azo Gold disappears, you don't see it at all, but the two blues are beautiful with the gold. Gives me a kind of undersea, under the sea vibe. See what I mean about the lines when you jump the palette knife? Next time I'm going to have a go at, as I jump, I'm going to sort of jump side to side as well, get kind of a zigzag effect, and see what we get with that. But the blue that comes out in this gold when the cells start to open up, it's so lovely with the gold. How you all doing for your Christmas shopping? Are you almost ready? I've got most of mine. I think I've got almost everything. Suddenly realised I hadn't got a Christmas card for my husband, so that's unusual for me. I'm normally quite well prepared, so I'll have to go out tomorrow and get one. I hope they've got some left. So I kind of did a bit of a zigzag there, but not, I want to go do much more pronounced than that. I like those lines that I did there. Didn't quite manage to, I didn't have enough cell activator on to mimic the same results that side. I love the ones on the right hand side. When I tilt and the blue starts to come through, it's just so pretty. And I'm also doing a bit of my a bit of the scoop and drag that I've the technique that Jessica Winterstrom Art started doing. I love this scoop and drag effect. How you scoop and drag the cells, and then you get sort of the cells going into lines. So unusual effect. Look at that blue, so pretty. But the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold sort of mixed with the blue and gave quite a nice greeny tinge. But I'm thinking, I know the Pearlescent Teal Boom Jelly is opaque, and I'm thinking maybe the Mallee Ringneck is too, and the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold is transparent, so that's probably why they disappeared. That's what I'm thinking anyway. I love those lines. So I'm just going to do the paint on the corners, and I'll just let you watch this little bit and then come back to you in a minute or two. Just going to give you some close-ups now. I just love that blue. But see what I mean about the green? That's obviously from the Azo Gold with the teal and the ringneck blue. And I looked at the green's lovely in that gold there, the cells. Kind of like highlights it. But this is so shimmery in real life, it's so hard to pick it up. When I go in really close you can see a little bit of it. But this gold is a beautiful gold, this Perio iridescent precious gold. So rich and shimmery. I like it better than Deco Art 24K now, because it doesn't take over the painting like 24K can do. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and thank you so much for all the lovely comments. I hope I never miss any of you. I do read every single one, and I do try and reply to every single one as well. So if you haven't subscribed already, please consider it. Please subscribe, it's free and it really helps my channel out. And if you like it, please hit the like button and share anywhere you want to. I'd appreciate it. Thank you, and everybody take care, stay safe, bye.